Howdy folks, Gramps here. We're looking at a Hotpoint. It's the Aqualtis model, and as you can see we have F05 showing there. All the error codes flashing away that you could possibly want on one of these things. Even the power button flashing. Now this is currently situated outside, and around the back there's my drain hose going straight down into the drain. First things first, I'm going to unclip that hose there and drain out the fluids that might be in the bottom of this, just so that we can get down and underneath. Take that tray out the front to get to the filter housing that's over on that side. That's the process we're going to do now. Right, that's the clip removed. Let's just drop this end of the hose down behind there, and let the water drain out. As you can see, it's a full machine. So I've got all the fluids draining there. Come back in a second and it stopped flowing. Next part's to remove this cover. Take a flat blade of a penknife or a flat blade screwdriver, whichever one you got easiest. Slide it underneath, bob it forward, and it should, hopefully, pop out as easy as that. Put that to one side because you're not going to need that for a minute. Clean the blade off. Now, where we're trying to get to is just underneath here. There will still be some water in there, but if I drop you down there, this is where you're trying to get to. Just give it a turn. I'm not too worried about this water flowing out because I'm outside, so as long as I don't get my knees wet, we should be alright. As you can see, still plenty of water in there, and there's all sorts coming out of here. And there's the culprit. Tablet packet, by the looks of it. Just having a quick look off camera. I don't know whether you can see up in the top corner here a little bit of black. So I'm going to see if I can get hold of my pin nose pliers and get them in there, because that may well also be blocking it. It's coming. Seems to be stuck behind the back off. Let me get a pair of snips. Could be a bit more complicated. Okay, pair of snips in hand. Should cut that bit. Now that bit's snipped, we can get that little bit there, hopefully. There's another little bit out. And there's the last of it. Those are the little culprits that were stuck inside the pump mechanism. Now hopefully all I've got to do is put this part here. Now it's had a quick clean, nice and empty. I'm going to put that back into there. But I do that, should just screw in until it stops. and that is it. No tools required for that part. If you're using anything, you're going to break it. Okay, so now let's come back up to here, switch it back on. Now the code will have cleared at this point. I'm just going to put it on for this quick rinse spin just to see if it's going to go. I'll come back to you in a bit. As you can see, there's 16 minutes. I'm not going to keep you on here for 16 minutes. So far so good. We're 9 minutes in and it seems to be working. I haven't noticed any problems. Quick look down the back. Nothing leaking out. No leaks down here. So I'll come back in a little bit of time and we'll see how it's going. We're down to 2 minutes, folks, and it's looking like they were the culprit. Wouldn't get past this point beforehand, so we might have won, but I'll let you know by the time it finishes. Well, the moment of truth is upon us. There's 1 minute left, ticking over its final few little spins, so we will see any minute now. Claims there's only 1 minute left on there. This is the final rinse out. No lights back up on the screen there, so and there we go. Proof that it's just done the job. Yesterday it wouldn't get to this point, and yesterday we could not open the door. Well, there's the door open, there's the washing, and the machine is fixed. All because that little compartment down there having a few little bits of plastic.